Hello everyone, I'm an IT manager in an educational establishment. I want to talk briefly about some of the considerations that need to be made when determining what sort of learning technology that you wish to employ for students who may be learning from a remote location. One of the first considerations to be made is with regards to cost. How much is the product going to cost? Who is going to pay for it? Is there a budget for it? Secondly, can the product be tested? Will it fit in with your infrastructure? Thirdly, what sort of hardware platform will be required? What sort of specification? Will it be installed on a PC or on a server infrastructure? And if so, what will be required? What is the hard disk requirements, memory, graphics capability? What sort of software requirements will be required? What sort of operating system is to be installed on a PC? Are there any other prerequisites that perhaps need to be met? Maybe perhaps a browser version. Fourthly, we want to consider also the network side of it, in terms of the network infrastructure, the bandwidth that's available, what sort of impact it might have on that. Are there going to be any firewall issues if you're trying to connect this software or product from a remote location? Will there be any compliance issues to be considered? For example, will it breach organizational rules and policies and procedures? What sort of access will be required for students? Will loads of logins need to be created? And what sort of overhead might that produce? Is there any other alternative technology that's available perhaps? Something that could be used that perhaps may be cheaper? And finally, what other considerations need to be made is with regards to support and training. How much training will be required? Who's going to organise the training and deliver it? What sort of support might be required to maintain and manage the product? These are some of the main things that need to be considered. There may well be others that you might think of. The key thing though, of course, is to make sure before you decide to embark upon purchasing any product or obtaining any product is to speak to your IT department, and particularly your head of IT. Thank you.